Since the gentle season flowering spreads out joyous and so gay, I have a mind to make my way to fashion a new Cervantes, so that all the Aragonese with omen soar, of this let them know it more. Here came the king by whom it's shown, a mercenary to be known. His base lineage over-ripened, here will finish like the lay, and turn back whence he drew away. Province he loses whence he's gone, for his brother they prize more. He cares but to fatten his store and drink through the Roussillon's ways, where Geoffrey was disinherited. At Villemur in Toulouse they hold him forsworn for sure, all those with whom he was allied, for in fear he cast them aside. The king whose is Castra swords and holds Toledo's palace floor, I urge him show his metal's power. The good King Garcia Ramirez will recover when life endures. Aragon that the monk secures, and the good Navarrese a king who's right will win it with his Alavisi might, if he stands sure. As much as gold surpasses azure, so much his worth is more complete than that of the king counterfeit. By her whose husband he is made, for the good queen I leave my cares. And since she spoke what me ensnares, Berengier of Besalou, if it pleased him would tell him true. But I abhor his wicked deeds that are so poor, for by him she was killed and betrayed, so his lineage is dismayed. Most basely the Empress was betrayed by a false perjured king impure, when he took by quintals load on load the treasure that Manuel sent. Sent by sea in sorrow stead, the lady and the Greeks he